What's up, guys? Mickey Gaminol here, ASVAB Domination. Today we are talking about probabilities. All right. This is a recording from my mini quiz Monday. So if you need help with your ASVAB, you can meet me every Monday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we'll go over some practice questions. And sometimes nobody shows up. So, it's really good one-on-one time if you need that. Today, instead of just passing the time, I'm going to do a quick probability question. Now, probability, the formula is going to be successful outcome over the total number of outcomes. And so if you can think of like a coin flip, you can think, okay, there's two total sides of the coin, but only one of them is successful. We'll say heads is successful when they say heads or tails. So that's why it's a 1/2 probability, also known as 50-50, right? Because it's 50% heads, 50% tails. One outcome out of the two outcomes would be the success. That would be the probability of something happening. So always remember, this is the formula you want: success over total. And I do a couple things with colors for this question because it's got marbles and stuff like that, but that's the general idea. All right. So there are 5 blue marbles, and you won't have colored pencils when you're taking your ASVAB, but I have this advantage. So 5 blue marbles, 4 red marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 yellow marbles, 1, 2, 3. And hopefully these are the right colors. Anyway, so these are the marbles. If Jim randomly selects a marble from the box, so let's put them in the box. What is the probability of selecting a red or yellow? So I would circle what is success, right? Red or yellow is success. Everything except for blue is a success. So what is the probability of selecting red or yellow? And so hopefully this is super clear. You can see, okay, well, there's 7 marbles that would be considered successful, which is the success over the total number of marbles. So how many marbles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7/12 is your answer here. But you don't necessarily need to do it like this, right? You could also do it like this. If we do 5 blue marbles, 5 blue marbles is not successful, so we're going to put that as the total outcomes. And then 4 red marbles is successful, so that is still an outcome, so it still goes with the total, but it's also considered a success. And 3 yellow marbles. And so here, again, you're going to see the exact same answer, but a little more algebraically, right? It's not as visual. So we have 7, 4 plus 3 is 7 total chances for success out of 12 total chances altogether. So those are the 2 things to keep in mind. All right, so this is going to be a probability question for the day. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great day.